Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix dock stuck in left or right on your Mac. So if your dock suddenly appear in the left or right side of the screen when you want it to appear at the bottom, don't worry. This usually happens because the dock position has changed in system setting, either intentionally or by accident. The good news is that you can easily move the dock back to the position you prefer, and to do so, open System Settings. Now click on the desktop and dock from the left side pane. After that, click on the drop down menu right to dock position on screen and choose bottom if you want the dock to return to its default location. If your dock still does not appear where you expect, make sure automatically hide and show the dock toggle is not enabled. You can temporarily turn this feature off while testing. And next, move your cursor to the bottom edge of the screen to confirm the dock is appearing correctly. And if the issue remains, restart your Mac once. This refreshes your dock position and can resolve the temporary display glitches. And after completing these steps, your dock should appear at the bottom of the screen and stay there until you change its position. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.